In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to hide the header and footer on your Wix website. This process allows you to modify individual pages and tailor-fit their appearances based on your preference. First, start by navigating to the Wix website editor. This is your primary control hub for designing and organizing your website. As you open the editor, familiarize yourself with the options on the left-hand side. Once you're in the editor, you should see an option labeled Pages and Menu on the left side of your screen. This will provide you with a list of all the pages available on your site. Click on this button to proceed to the next step on our journey of customizing your website. Next, it's time to decide which page you'd like to modify. Each page on your website is unique and can be individually customized. So, browse through your list of pages and locate the specific one that you want to modify. Once you have found it, simply click on it. After selecting the specific page, move your eyes to the right-hand side, where you will see the name of the page you have opened. Right next to the name of the page, you will find the More Actions icon. It is represented by 3 dots. This icon is very pivotal as it opens a drop-down menu with additional editing options. Click on this icon to proceed. Once the drop-down menu opens, navigate around until you see the option that says Settings. By clicking on it, you'll be able to tailor your page's layout, SEO settings, permissions, and more. Please go ahead and select Settings. Now that you're inside the Settings panel, you want to look for the Layouts tab. This is where we will modify the page's structure. Click on it, and it will open up more choices that determine how your page looks and feels. Next, you will see the layout options presented to you. Locate and select the option labeled No Header and Footer. By doing this, you essentially tell Wix that you want this specific page to not show any header or footer. Finally, after selecting the No Header and Footer option, save your changes by publishing your site. This step is critical because any changes you've made will not be live on your site until you publish them. So click on the Publish button and voila! You have successfully hidden the header and footer on your desired Wix page. And that wraps it up. You now know how to hide the header and footer on your Wix site. This is just one way to customize your site and create unique, engaging pages that cater to your audience's needs and preferences. Thank you for following this tutorial, and happy customizing.